Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how several ways you can search for the packages which probably installed or may not be installed in the system. It's all about efficiently get the stuff with little bit of piece of code, okay, or some sort of tapping the binary. Okay, so I'm assuming you are sitting on Gentoo because this is specifically for Gentoo package finding. Okay, so there are tools available on Gentoo, so you can use it or little bit of code throw into to format it to get the convenient way of seeing the packages. Either it is installed in your system or it can go out in the wild and fetch it out for you to pick it up or look through. Okay, so this is in essence searching, looking for packages on a Gentoo system. Okay, so let me move into a terminal. But before doing that, the coffee is important thing first in the morning while listening to Ella Fitzgerald number. She has a lovely voice. Anyway, so first to show you some sort of native way of doing it, as I mentioned, I generally put a wrapper, absolute ordinary wrapper, just to make things memorable for me. Okay, so first thing I want to show you what are the installed packages I have in my Gentoo system. Okay, so all I write Gentoo install, see the name, I think I'm zoom enough to see. So the script name I gave, Gentoo install packages list. The name signifies I'm going to see what are the installed package I have in my system, and this will essentially show all the installed package on terminal itself because I'm invoking it from the terminal. Okay, if I press enter and see, so it ran off, right? But it shows all the packages I have installed in my Gentoo system. Pretty darn simple and very intuitive too. Okay, so what is the code behind it? Simply enlisting the installed package. Let me decipher it. Gentoo install package list. See, it's just call up a predefined binary which is comes to Gentoo. You can use it equally with several other stuff. I probably shown it in my previous video if you have watched it, if I remember correctly. So equary list with the asterisk within the quotation, so it will enlist you all the packages you have. Okay, so let me try and I have something in bashrc. If you look into my bashrc, see this many stuff I have aliased in my bashrc, which is hosted on GitHub. You can take a peek on it for my convenience. So if anytime I can get a peek onto some specific packages or specific thing, I can easily see this stuff. Okay, by running this aliases, provided I remember. If I don't remember, I run this and just to get the and pick out the what is required, but the aliases is there because I do not have to type the entire things again and again and again. Okay, that's why these aliases are made. If I forget, I'll bring it up like this and I pick up the one what I need. to see something specific about the packages or something specific related to that. This is a tool, eQuery. You could use that, okay, if you are sitting on a Gentoo system. I don't know whether it's a, oh, it has a man page too, because I haven't bothered to look into it because I was using the tool by its name. So but it's good to give it a glance on the man page. It has a man page, okay. So the tool is eQuery, to find out probably related something to package related stuff, use flag related stuff, okay. I have few more things in my armory. Okay, so there is another one. Gentoo packages enlist. This is quite different. It taps D menu. It will show all the packages. Go out in the wild and enlist all the packages in a D menu. So you can search, you can select, okay, you can view. So if I press enter, see, it shows like this. It enlists all the packages in a D menu, so you can easily search out for GPG. See, you can easily search it for SSH, Xorg. So whatever, you just tap the potential of showing it from the D menu. Convenient way of doing stuff, right? So this is very convenient to me, so that's why I built it, okay. So let me show you what this script has, okay. Okay, what the heck, why I'm mistyping too much today? So this is the stuff. It simply emerged and throw away everything in dev null. Then it will call up a portage utility EIX with -c, means in compact mode. Pure packages means it shows you the, let me man EIX, then grape, pure packages. So see, it is showing with all this stuff. You can also pass the format, whatever the format you wanted to see on a package, okay. So this flag is there to help you to segregate and help you to enlist, okay. Then it's simply call up D menu and cut through some columns. As simple as that, okay. So this is the simplest possible way. These two methods, these two wrappers are simplest possible way. Now you can do other stuff also. If you do -s and s, it will search for the package. If I say SSH, and if I give my password, wait, it will take some time to go out and search the packages. See, it will show you the packages related to that with the emerge also, like the previous two, okay. So I'm canceling it. Another way to see it, if you just press EIX SSH, see, it shows you like this. This is more colorful and different format. So in brief, in several ways you can find out the packages you are looking for in, if you are sitting on Gentoo system,
Okay, so and it will indicate you also whether the package is installed or not, or where you can find it. So it's become super handy, right? And it will obviously show you whether this is stable package or a testing package, something like. So you can take a call on that if you wanted to install something which is not stable, or if you want to experiment with testing. So you can choose from that indication. So this is very elaborative, this is very fine to find out to how the package is actually uh, baking on Gentoo system. Okay, so it is extremely easy to find out the stuff uh, that I'm showing you. 4 different method here, 2 of my own. I built it getting inspired from somebody else, and 2 are most native, although those build stuff are purely tapping the potential of other stuff people have built, and these 2 are very native, the last 2, EIX and emerge. So people most probably they are using it. This is the finest possible way to find out the package on a Gentoo system, so you can easily find out your required stuff. Okay, so I hope it will be useful for some people to know this way they can find out the required stuff on a Gentoo system. Thanks for watching.